Alright guys, this is where things get really powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own local MCP server and connect it directly to Antigravity. So you can run AI workflows, tools and automations straight from your own machine. No limits, no black box. If you have been relying on cloud tools, this is your upgrade. We are going local, faster and fully in control. Let's build it. So guys, first of all, if you want to build your local MCP server, you have to have your anti-gravity installed. And this is my anti-gravity. Guys, the MCP server that I am going to create is a very simple MCP server. It is going to be called as line counter. And I created this MCP server entirely with the help of a simple prompt. And as you can see on my screen, this was my prompt. It says, create a MCP server for me which count the lines. Keep it super simple, MCP tool which will just count lines when given a file path. So it's a very simple prompt guys, and you can see that this was a completely empty workspace before. And once I gave it this prompt, it immediately started working and it created a MCP server for me. In the MCP server, it created the below files, obviously the server.py, which will have the count lines MCP server tool. It has some installations which are needed and those are specified in the requirements.txt file. It also wrote some test cases for me, and finally the usage docs in readme.md. So guys, if I just zoom out right here, you'll be able to see that these are the files which were created, server.py, and you can see that there is a count lines MCP tool in it. Then you have got your requirements.txt which only has the MCP CLI as a requirement. And obviously I'm gonna ignore the test for now, but if you look into the readme.md, it gives you exactly how you have to use this MCP server in your other projects. So it gives you the entire JSON guys, which you can include in your MCP server JSON to actually start using this tool. Now that we have looked into it, let's get started and let's include this MCP server into my other project. Okay. So here you go guys, you can see that this is my other MCP server project, and this is the same project which I used in my previous video to create a website for Formula 1 news with the help of Notebook LM. If you have not checked out that video guys, please do check that out. So in this part guys, all we are going to do is we are going to connect our MCP server with our new anti-gravity workspace, and that is how you do it. You go to your additional options here, you click on your MCP servers. Once you click on your MCP servers, you will click on the manage MCP servers here, and when you click on the manage MCP servers, you can just click on here the view raw config. You can see that there is a view raw config here. So you click on the view raw config and you can see that it opens like this. And guys, here you can see that this is exactly the JSON where we want to add our MCP server, and you can see that this is how you can add your MCP server here. Let me go and add it. So let's go on the top and you can see that here I have added that MCP server. This exact JSON is same as the JSON that I just showed you before in my readme.md where we created this line counter project. So it just says simply the path of my server.py, which is right here, and it says that we are going to use the command Python to actually run this file. Okay. So now that this MCP server is right there, let me go back and click my manage MCP servers and see that here the line counter MCP tool is visible. So in the UI itself, now let me zoom out a bit, you can see that this line counter tool is visible, and right now it only has one tool which is called as count lines, and you obviously understand what it does. Now let's go back to my agent. Now that this MCP tool is inside my agent, I am going to count lines in one of the files that are right here, right? So for example, in my F1 news project, which is right here in this folder, let me find out the number of lines in a file. So find the number of lines in the file F1 news slash index.html. Okay, let me give this prompt and you will see that it will immediately start working on it. And there you go guys. Okay, is doing something, and you can see, let me just zoom out for you, zoom in for you guys, that this has actually worked, and it has told us that this is index.html has 480 lines. Okay, if I just expand the two commands that were there, you can see that it first of all looked into the path of the file, and then it used my line counter MCP tool, guys. Line counter MCP tool, and inside that also the count line tool is used to actually find out the number of lines in index.html. So there you go, guys. We created a local MCP server completely custom and also generated through an AI prompt, and then we used it in a different anti-gravity project by a simple MCP configuration. So how easy was that, guys? But you definitely understand that this is a very powerful thing. Now you can create your own custom tools, own custom workflows, and integrate them in any project that you want in Antigravity. And you can even use the same workflow in any other IDE also if you want, because this MCP server is very generic, right? You can use it in your VS Code, in any of the IDE that you want to use it. You can definitely use that. Okay, and you can integrate that. So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video and you learned something from it. If you did like this video, guys, then please do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feedback for me, please do write down in the comment section below. I would be really happy to address them. And in the end, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications of more such programming, coding, and AI related videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Until then, take care and bye bye.